In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use JungleScout for product research and why it's an essential tool if you want to find profitable products to sell on Amazon. Whether you're brand new to the software or just getting started, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can leverage JungleScout to its full potential. Stay tuned to the end, and I'll share how you can get an exclusive extended free trial with bonus features you won't find anywhere else. So first off, JungleScout is one of the best tools for Amazon product research, and it's packed with features that help you identify high-demand, low-competition products. The software uses real-time data and deep analytics to give you insights that can help you scale your e-commerce business quickly. Whether you're looking for profitable niches or trying to validate your product ideas, JungleScout provides you with everything you need to make informed decisions. The most important part of JungleScout's toolkit is its product database. This feature allows you to filter through millions of products on Amazon, narrowing down your search based on criteria like price range, sales volume, review count, and even weight and dimensions. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the vast number of products on Amazon, this database is the perfect way to focus your research. You can even save and track the products that look promising and revisit them later. Next up, let's talk about the product tracker. Once you've found products that you think might be a good fit, the product tracker lets you monitor their performance over time. You can see trends in sales, pricing, and inventory, helping you make smarter decisions about whether to invest in a particular product. It's a great tool for gauging long-term product viability, especially when you want to make sure your business has staying power. Another feature that sets JungleScout apart is the Keyword Scout. When you're entering a new product category, knowing which keywords to target is crucial. Keyword Scout helps you find the best keywords to rank for by analyzing Amazon's search volume, competition, and relevancy. This tool helps you avoid wasting time on ineffective keywords and focus on the ones that will bring in the most traffic and sales. It's like having your very own Amazon SEO assistant. For those who want to get even more granular with their research, JungleScout's Opportunity Finder is a game changer. This feature takes into account various factors like demand, competition, and trends to suggest untapped opportunities that are ripe for the taking. If you want to stay ahead of the competition, this is where you can spot new profitable product ideas that others haven't discovered yet. I can't stress enough how powerful these features are for e-commerce entrepreneurs. JungleScout helps you avoid costly mistakes by making sure you're choosing the right products, tracking their performance, and optimizing for the best keywords. It's a comprehensive solution that eliminates guesswork and puts you in a position to succeed. And remember, you can use JungleScout for free with our exclusive link below. Not only will you get access to the software, but you'll also receive a special bonus that you won't find anywhere else. So be sure to check that out. In conclusion, JungleScout is the ultimate tool for Amazon product research. It gives you the insights you need to make data-driven decisions, whether you're just starting out or scaling your business. If you're serious about succeeding on Amazon, this software is an absolute must-have. Don't forget to grab your extended free trial using the link below. With these tools in your arsenal, you'll be well on your way to finding profitable products, launching successful products, and growing your e-commerce empire.